Affiliate marketing looks like the perfect escape hatch from the 9 to 5. You hear stories of complete beginners turning $10 into $1,000 overnight. But when most people actually try it on platforms like WarriorPlus, they hit a brick wall immediately. The system is locked in a frustrating loop. One marketer I researched got rejected 17 times in a row before making a single cent. Vendors won't approve your request because you have a zero sales history, and you can't build history because no one approves you. Warrior Affiliate claims to shatter that loop. For a single dollar, he hands you instant approval codes to bypass rejection completely. Which brings up the obvious red flag. Nobody sells an entire business strategy for less than the cost of a coffee out of pure charity. You have to ask yourself, are you actually getting the full story here? Or is this dollar just bait to drag you into a maze of expensive hidden upsells? Fahey is surprisingly upfront about why it costs exactly $1. First, it cuts down his own administrative headache. He gets up to 200 affiliate requests a day and denies 90% of them because beginners don't know how to ask properly. This course guides newbies to their first 50 sales, saving him time. Second, it's a highly optimized lead generation tactic. By delivering value up front, he earns your trust, making it much more likely you'll buy his other products down the line. That makes this $1 entry fee a strategic loss leader. It offers real utility, but to succeed, you will need the discipline to take the training and ignore the high-pressure sales funnel that comes right after it. To see if this program is worth your time, we evaluate the $1 foundation above water separately from the deep upsell funnel lurking underneath. Step 1 tackles the approval problem directly, handing you exclusive vendor codes and top-converting offers guaranteeing instant approval. The trade-off here is freedom. You're restricted to specific approved products and can't pull random offers until you build sales history. Step 2 involves analyzing data. The training shows how to read WarriorPlus statistics to spot red flags and identify converting products. You must trade impulsive decisions based on flashy sales pages for methodical review of conversion numbers. Step 3 begins bootstrapping, showing you how to build a promotional machine using completely free software tiers, including landing pages and email autoresponders. Naturally, free tools come with limitations. You will have to deal with forced branding watermarks, restrictive subscriber caps, and fewer aesthetic design options compared to expensive premium software. But that is exactly what makes these first 3 steps a practical launchpad. You are keeping your financial operating costs at zero, as long as you are willing to accept those design restrictions. Next up is content creation. If you don't know how to write a high-converting email, Step 4 provides a specific 3-part formula and shows you how to use free artificial intelligence tools to generate your promotional copy in seconds. But you cannot just copy and paste blindly. AI output is rarely perfect right out of the gate. It requires active manual review and editing, so it actually sounds like a human being instead of a robot. Finally, Step 5 tackles the hardest part of affiliate marketing: traffic. The course explicitly skips paid Google ads. Instead, it breaks down 5 free, organic methods for driving targeted clicks using platforms you already know, like Facebook, YouTube, and Quora. The catch? Free traffic is never actually free. It costs time. Instead of relying on passive ad delivery, you must invest sweat equity into consistent manual posting and daily community engagement to get those clicks. When you put it all together, the front-end training delivers a viable, zero-cost strategy. It works, as long as you accept that your time and focus are the true currencies you'll be spending. Now, let's address what happens right after you hand over your dollar. You immediately sink below the waterline and face a series of optional one-time offers, or OTOs. The $147 done-for-you setup is where Fahey's team builds your lead magnet funnels. It saves technical setup time, but robs you of the educational experience. You won't learn how the funnel mechanics operate. The AI membership hooks you with a 99-cent trial for advanced templates before converting to a $20 monthly charge. Introducing recurring expenses to a new side hustle before securing your first sale is dangerous. The remaining offers, which bundle digital asset packs and reports for around $10 to $30, are classic distractions. They are just extra noise. These upsells do offer legitimate shortcuts for the right buyer, but for a total beginner, they are far more likely to overwhelm you and pull your focus away from simply executing that initial $1 foundation. To see your options clearly, look at this scorecard. Deciding whether to buy Warrior Affiliate hinges entirely on your current ratio of available time versus your available budget. If you are a bootstrapper, someone with zero capital but abundant time, buy the $1 system. Execute the 5 free steps and ruthlessly close your browser tabs the second those upsell pages start appearing. If you are a frustrated beginner who keeps hitting the rejection wall, the exclusive instant approval codes alone make that single dollar a risk-free investment. You finally get to start building a verified sales history. Now, if you are a time-poor hustler with cash to burn, you need to proceed with serious caution before jumping on that $147 done-for-you funnel, because even if they build the pages for you, you still have to manually execute the organic traffic methods to get eyeballs on those links. The time commitment is reduced, but it does not completely disappear. Fahey offers a 365-day money-back guarantee, so you have a full year to test the results with zero financial risk. Fahey leads with this foundational training for $1 because he knows it is the most effective way to place people in front of his deep, aggressive back-end funnel. Bypass the industry gatekeepers for a single dollar today. Learn the system, but keep a strict guard on your wallet until you have actually earned your very first